You ever feel everyone online is getting rich trading, except you? You're studying the charts, watching every tutorial, but somehow you keep ending up on the wrong side of the candle. That's not bad luck, that's psychology. And if you're ready for the truth, this video is going to change how you see trading forever. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm FX Trader 2024. My name's Danny. And today we're breaking down why social media has completely lied to you about trading and what it actually takes to make it in the game. Spoiler alert, it's not a get rich quick scheme. It's more like get disciplined slowly over the years scheme. Let's be honest. Social media has made it look like a one-way ticket to Lambo land. You scroll and it's all flipped $100 into $10,000. This one strategy changed my life. Quit your 9 to 5 and trade from anywhere. It looks amazing, right? But here's the truth that nobody posts. They're not showing you the 37 losing trades before that one lucky screenshot. And when they say, I made that $10,000 today, yeah, they conveniently forgot the $12,000 they lost yesterday. So technically, they're profitable in the multiverse. Here's the thing. I could hand you a winning strategy today, the perfect one. You'd have the entry, the exit, the risk management, everything, and you'd still find a way to mess it up. Because trading isn't about knowing what to do, it's about having the discipline to actually do it when your emotions are screaming the opposite. Oh, come on, just move my stop loss a little. It'll bounce back, right? Nope. It just keeps dropping. That's the trading psychology. The chart doesn't care about your feelings. You can pray, beg, and bargain. The market still does whatever it wants. Trading is like going to the gym. Everybody wants abs, but nobody wants to stop eating pizza. You can watch every trading course, buy all the indicators, even journal all your trades. But until you train your patience and emotions, you're not trading. You're gambling with Wi-Fi. Yeah. I said it, the market is like a mirror. It reflects your habits, your mindset, and your emotional discipline. If you're impulsive in life, you'll be impulsive in your trades. If you chase dopamine in life, you'll chase losing setups too. Here's what real trading discipline looks like. Waiting hours for a setup and still not taking it because your plan says no. Losing money and not revenge trading. Winning a trade and walking away and not getting greedy. But that's not the stuff that goes viral. Nobody's posting, hey guys, I didn't trade today because my edge wasn't there. Smash the like button. Because discipline isn't sexy, but it pays. And excitement usually costs you money. If you're serious about trading, stop treating it like a side hustle that'll get you rich in 3 months. This is a craft, a skill, a mental battlefield. And here's the beautiful part. When you finally master your discipline, your patience, and your emotions, it doesn't just make you a better trader, it makes you a better person. Because trading teaches you to control what you can and accept what you can't. So next time you see someone flexing profits online, remember, the real flex isn't making $10,000 in a day. The real flex is consistency. The real flex is discipline. The real flex is not blowing your account, chasing someone else's lifestyle. Trading success doesn't happen overnight. It's built one boring disciplined day at a time. So if you're still in for the journey, drop me a comment in the comments and tell me what's your biggest psychological struggle in trading right now. Let's talk about it. And as always, smash the like button, subscribe for no more BS trading talk, and remember, trading is simple, but you make it hard.